What is up guys, Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake the Near token within the Near wallet. So Near is a layer 1 blockchain that runs on the cloud. They're currently ranked number 22 on CoinMarketCap with over 7 billion in market cap. And they tout themselves as one of the fastest and cheapest layer 1 blockchains around. So on DeFi Llama, Near has also been moving up the ranks, ranked at number 16 with over 690 million total value locked in their DeFi platforms. And because they're a blockchain built on the cloud, their Near wallet is accessible on any browser or any mobile device. So today I wanted to cover a complete guide on how to stake in the Near wallet and start earning staking rewards. So let's get started. So Near is a layer 1 blockchain that was designed as a community run computing platform and that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bogging competing blockchains, such as low transaction speeds, low throughput, and poor interoperability. This provides the ideal environment for DApps and creates a developer and user-friendly platform. For instance, Near uses human-readable account names, unlike the cryptographic wallet addresses common to Ethereum. Near also introduces unique solutions to scaling problems and has its own consensus mechanism called Doomslug. Near uses its Nightshade technology to improve transaction throughput massively. Nightshade is a variation of sharding, in which individual sets of validators process transactions in parallel across multiple sharded chains, improving the overall capacity of the blockchain. In doing so, Near protocol is able to achieve up to 100,000 transactions per second and achieve near instant transaction finality thanks to the 1-second block cadence, while simultaneously keeping transaction fees at virtually zero. And as you can see, some of the available markets where you can purchase Near token are Binance International, KuCoin in the United States, or Crypto.com app in the United States. And currently the price is at $11 and we have seen an all-time high of $20.20. So super bullish on this coin, a lot of potential. So the first step would be to create a Near wallet. So the website here is wallet.near.org, and on the homepage you would click on create account and click on get started. And you have a couple of options. You can either do a seed phrase, which is a long passphrase. You can use a Ledger hardware wallet, or you can actually even use an email. The most secure method would be the Ledger hardware wallet, but the easiest and probably the most convenient for most people would be an email account. So it's really up to you. I personally am gonna set it up with a Ledger hardware wallet, but again, email is the easiest route. So let's click on this, secure my account. And so we're almost done setting this up. In order to activate this wallet, you do need 0.1 Near deposited into this address so you can activate your wallet. So coincidentally, that is our next step. We're gonna buy and send some Near from Crypto.com app and send it over to this address. So let's do that now. Open the Crypto.com app, select the center crow icon, crypto wallet, select the Near protocol token, select transfer, withdraw, external wallet. So as you can see, I've previously added the Near wallet address. Crypto.com does require a 24-hour clearance anytime you add a new wallet address. So I added this wallet a day ago and I've waited 24 hours to pass so I can finally withdraw these tokens. But if you're new to this process, what you would do is click on the plus icon on the top right, hit wallet address, and under protocol address, you would copy this address here, hit copy and paste that right into this section here, and you can also give it a name. Great, so now back to the screen, you would hit withdraw Near, select the amount you would like to withdraw. I'm going to select max and hit withdraw. Verify the information is correct, confirm, and the request has been submitted. So now this will take a couple of seconds to process. Cool, and from here just go ahead and open a new tab and type in wallet.near.org. This will bring you to the home page of your Near wallet. And as you can see, our balance here is 10.8.4 Near tokens. And recent activity, we received our Near tokens from crypto.com. So on the home page, you do see your balance in the center here. You can also add a custom wallet address. For example, satoshi.near. You can use any other name you would like joecrypto.near. It's free to choose a username. Under the collectibles tabs, you can also link NFTs or other apps. Cool, so now that that is funded, the next step would be to navigate to the staking page and choosing a validator. So let's navigate to staking and we see our available balance. So let's go ahead and click on stake my tokens. And from here, you do have a long list of validators available in the Near network. So this can be daunting to look at. So you have the validator name and below it, the commission fee. So you want something very low for commission fee, something like 1%, maybe 2%, maybe as high as 3%. Anything that's like 5 or 10% is very high for a validator fee. So you want to avoid the extremely high validator fees, and any validator that is inactive, you do not want to pick. So only the validators with low fees and that are active. And I've made a list here of criteria you should look for. Don't pick a centralized exchange or top 10 validators. Do not choose a validator with 100% commission. That means they are oversubscribed and are not taking any new delegators. You want to research who the validator is, who the company or person is behind the validator services. And also you want to diversify your validators. The more coins you have, you want to spread out your risk, spread out your staking rewards to keep the network decentralized. So the official website to research validators is explorer.near.org/nodes/validators. And on here, you can view all the active validators on the network. You obviously want them to be active. You want a low fee. So anything that's 10% or 100% is too high for me. Ideally, something that's 1%. And under the delegator section, you can see how many people are delegated to that network. And also their own share of staking for that pool. So some of these top 10 validators have an extreme amount of Near tokens being staked. We're talking 42 million Near tokens, 20 million, 19 million, that's high. So again, you want to avoid the top 10. So we're going to keep scrolling past the top 10. And now it's important to pick a validator with a low commission rate. So if we keep scrolling lower and lower, and here's one. They're currently ranked at number 34. They are active. It has a 1% commission rate and over 2,000 delegators. So I'm liking what I'm seeing here. This is staking.poolv1.near. So let's try to remember this here. We can copy this. And another website for you to research validators is near-staking.com. And the same thing goes here. You can sort by fee amount, by staking amount, stake change, or delegation amount. So staking.pool.v1.near. So if we go back to our wallet, let's paste that in. And here we go, 1% fee, and they are active. We're gonna go ahead and select them and click on stake with validator. And the amount you would like to validate, I always do use max, but because we need to leave some behind for gas, I'm going to go ahead and do 10.7. Cool. And verify this is all correct. Hit submit and confirm. And I'm going to confirm this transaction on my Ledger Nano device. And the transaction was successful, and we've successfully began staking with this validator. So now let's return to the dashboard. And on here, you can see the amount of rewards earned and the pending rewards. So that brings us to our final step. Decide what to do with your rewards. So by default, the Near wallet reinvests all your staking rewards, so it automatically grabs your rewards and redeposits them into the same validator, which is great. So the rewards are auto compounding. And if we look at stakingrewards.com, we do see that the APR rate for staking Near is at 10.86, so roughly 11% APR. But keep in mind, this does not take compounding into the equation. So instead of 11%, we're looking at realistically something more like 15% APY. So that's the option I would recommend to most people. Let the rewards stake and collect and compound themselves. This is a hands-off method. You don't have to do anything more. The wallet does all the work for you. But for some reason, if you want to pull out your rewards or send them somewhere else, that is an option for you as well. So back to the wallet section, you can actually send your money to other DeFi protocols built on top of Near. So if we look at DeFi Llama, the most popular DeFi platform on Near is Ref Finance. Their website is ref.finance, and this is a DeFi platform for swapping, lending, yield farming. You can click on Launch App and you can swap, you can view pools, or you can look at some of their available farms. And another popular DeFi platform not mentioned on DeFi Llama is the Aurora network. This is aurora.dev, and on top of Aurora there is the Trisolaris DEX. So on here again, you can swap your Near token, you can add liquidity to a pool, or you can even farm some tokens. So some of the popular pairs here are Tri Aurora or Flex Wrapped Near. We have Tri Wrapped Near, Tri USDT, even stablecoin pools like USDC, USDT. The list goes on. But obviously yield farming and some of the more complex lending strategies are more advanced, and that is an active approach. You will have to be continuously monitoring any DeFi platform you use because it is an active participation strategy. But like I said, I would recommend letting the rewards reinvest and compound themselves as the easiest method for most people. And just remember, rewards are paid out daily. Just keep an eye out on the staking tab to view your pending rewards. So Near has a ton of partnerships and lots of upgrades in the works. They have a huge roadmap ahead of them for the coming year. More blockchain upgrades, more DApps, and more staking features are coming to the network. You can stay up to date on all their latest news on their official Twitter page at Near Protocol. So let me know what you think about the Near token. Are you a fan? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.